In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Shopify theme in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the easy steps to discover the perfect look for your Shopify store, whether you're looking for something free or are ready to invest in a premium design. So let's dive right in and explore the process together. To start with, you'll want to go to Shopify's official website. Ensure you are visiting the correct site to access all its features. Once there, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by entering your email and password and then clicking the login button. This will take you to your store's dashboard, which is the command center for managing your Shopify store. Once you're successfully logged into your admin panel, you'll be navigating to the Themes section. This can typically be found in the left-hand menu under the Online Store tab. Clicking on this will lead you to where your current theme is displayed, along with other theme options. It's essentially your starting point for exploring new design possibilities for your store. As you scroll down the page, you'll find an option near the bottom called Visit Theme Store. This link is your gateway to a wide variety of themes available on Shopify. By clicking here, you're redirected to Shopify's official theme store, where hundreds of themes are available to explore. It's a great resource where you can discover both Shopify-made themes and third-party design options. Within the theme store, you'll have the opportunity to browse both free and paid themes. Shopify offers a nice selection of free themes that are easily customizable, perfect if you're on a budget or just starting out. These themes can be a great way to give your store a professional look without any financial commitment. On the other hand, if you're looking for something more unique or feature-rich, you may want to consider exploring the paid themes. These themes generally offer more robust features, a wider variety of customization options, and perhaps a slightly higher-end look. It's worth considering your specific needs and budget when deciding between the free and paid options. Keep in mind that whatever theme you choose, it's important to consider your brand's aesthetics and functionality requirements. A well-chosen theme can significantly impact how your customers perceive your brand and how easily they can navigate your website. Whether you go for a minimalistic design or something more elaborate, ensure that the theme aligns with your business goals. And there you have it, a simple way to find and choose your perfect Shopify theme. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a beautiful and successful online store. Feel free to ask any questions down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.